So we have 10 medjool dates and some romaine lettuce, 3 heads of organic romaine lettuce, and I have some water just in case I need it, because I don't like to eat the dates. They're so dry. I mean, I love to eat the dates, but I don't like to eat them without water. So either I put them in a smoothie with water, or I eat them with water next to them, wash them down because they're dry. And I like to have high water content in this raw diet I'm starting here. This is my 12th day. So having done this for about 12 years, I am on and off, not consistently, but making mistakes and falling off the wagon. One of the things I've learned is you need to definitely have greens. And the reason is that the greens are where you get your minerals. Your vitamins and minerals are more vitamins and minerals per pound in greens than any other food. So with the greens, you get your vitamins and minerals. There's not a lot of calories in greens, but you do get your calories with fruit. So these 10 dates will probably be about 650 to 700 calories. These, if I eat all of this, this might be 50 to 100 calories. But these greens are going to have a lot of vitamins and minerals, and my calories and most of my energy is going to come from these dates. The leaf of the romaine, pretty nice. And I'm not one that likes greens, but what I had to do in order to prepare for this is I did a month with low sugar or very little sugar. I just used low glycemic sugars like berries, mostly blueberries and strawberries, and apples. But I didn't have any high glycemic sugar. I wanted my system to cleanse from some sugar. I use a lot of greens. I drink a lot of green juices just to get my taste buds changed. That was the key with me, because I hate the taste of greens without oil and salt on them. So now I'm trying to go without the oil and salt, and I realized by juicing, especially I would juice whole bunches of celery in my green juice. And when I juiced, and I'll show you that in another video, but when I juiced a whole bunches of celery, plus putting celery in my low glycemic fruit smoothies, I lost my taste for salt. So, well, pretty much. I mean, I'm not having any salt cravings at this point, which is amazing for me. But so I just took one of the dates, took the pit out, folded it in half. I'm going to make this into a sandwich, and I'm going to eat that. I don't know if you can see this or not, but I have to say, that's pretty good.